10 simple vocabulary words with meaning starting with the letter O that you might encounter in daily routines. Oak. Meaning. A type of tree. Oat. Meaning. A type of cereal grain. Oil. Meaning. A liquid used for cooking or lubrication. Old. Meaning. Having lived for many years. Open. Meaning. Not closed or locked. Orange. Meaning. A color and a type of fruit. Oven. Meaning. An appliance used for baking or roasting food. Over. Meaning. Above or higher than something else. Own. Meaning. To possess something. Ox. Meaning. A large domesticated animal used for work on farms.